Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to face swap in Leonardo AI. So first of all, you just have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type app.leonardoai. After that you just have to log in into your account first. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to click on the option of image generation in the user tools. After that you will have to click on image guidance. Once done, you need to provide the image that you want to use as a base. So simply need to click on this upload button and then you will have to select your image. Now once the image is uploaded, you will have to make sure that its aspect ratio is similar. So as you can see that the aspect ratio of this image is 3:4. So you will have to go to the advanced control and you will have to make sure that it is 3:4. After that, you need to keep its strength as default, which is 0.30. After that, you need to make sure that the type of the image that you have selected is currently set as image to image. Now, once all these settings are done, you can either click on these dices in order to generate prompt, or what you can do is you can type your own prompt. So for this video, I have typed this prompt, which is a man is on hiking trip. So after typing your prompt, you will have to press generate. Then you will have to click on the option of generate history and you just have to wait for some time until it generates the output for you. As you can see over here that it has generated these images according to the face that we have provided, which is looking quite similar to it. So this way you will be able to face swap on Leonardo AI. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.